I'm B Singh, founder Next IAS, and you are watching Toppers Talk for Indian Forest Services Examination 2019. With me is Mr. Yogesh Garg. Yogesh has secured All India rank 84. Yogesh, congratulations. Important and inspiring is that his interview score is 210, which is 70%, which is exceptional. And he scored this interview marks, and let us know what was his strategy and how he answered and what are the qualities in which the interview panel focuses. तो योगेश, सबसे पहले तो congratulations, आपका ऑप्शनल है फॉरेस्ट्री एंड जियोलॉजी एंड यू हैव डन योर बीटेक फ्रॉम YMCA
Yes,
Faridabad. And thereafter you decided to go for the UPSC exam, civil services and the forest services exam. तो आपने फॉरेस्ट्री और जियोलॉजी लिया, नॉट मैकेनिकल, कोई स्पेसिफिक रीजन?
Sir, I have tried the previous year question of UPSC for mechanical, and there I realized that I am not able to complete that question in 3 hours.
Okay.
Then I chose for the humanities.
Humanity subject. Good. Now let us come straight forward to the interview. आपको इंटरव्यू में बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स मिले, हाँ 210. मनोज सोनी सर का आपने बताया कि बोर्ड था, तो कैसे बिगिनिंग हुई एंड व्हाट दे आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस?
They started with my name that resemble to yoga, as yoga is also my hobby, yoga and meditation. So he asked me, Yogesh, your name resemble to yoga. So how and do you practice it? Then I said, yes, sir, I practice regularly. And then say Yogesh mean Yog plus Ishwar. That is God of Yoga. So how it resemble to yoga?
Okay, so this is how the starting happened, and they asked anything related to mechanical engineering also?
Yes, sir. They asked me that about the old terrain vehicle. What is its use in forestry? Then how my mechanical skill will be useful in forestry.
Right. आपको क्या लगता है कि what they judge? They judge knowledge or expression or confidence? What are the qualities?
More than knowledge, they are judging your personality. How calm, cool, patient, confident you are, and how you answer, and how you are expressing yourself.
Right. So the basic theme is to judge the confidence level.
Yes, sir. And apart from that, your honesty and truthfulness.
Correct.
That matter a lot.
Right.
Means they are looking for guys who are not trying to bluff the board member.
Right, right. So during the time of interview, did you feel nervousness any time?
Yes, sir. At one member, he getting me more, so I feel nervous. But same time, chairman sir asked him that now it's okay. So you will get relaxed.
Okay. So can you share some more questions which were asked in interview?
Yes, sir. Third member, he was a psychiatrist. He was noticing my each and every movement of hand, then legs, my facial expression. Then he asked me about Bhiwani, the district I belong to, problem, its significance, and famous leader from Bhiwani.
Right.
Then one member that go for old terrain vehicle. That the international competition. So he asked me how we can use old terrain vehicle in forestry and why not Jeep is the better option.
Good. And anything related to the current affairs and discussion related to newspapers?
Not much, but how you can use your biotechnology or science in the field of forestry. And one is forest flame.
Right. And when you was preparing, what was your experience in the Next IAS?
So it was good. When I was giving the mock interview in the panel, they boosted me a lot. They are saying that what good about you is you are not trying to bluff us. Your honesty and innocency will give you a good score in the interview. So I believe in that.
And the same thing happened?
Yes, sir.
Right. So any suggestion for the students who are preparing next year for the forest services?
For the prelims, 10 to 50 marks go higher as compared to civil service examination. So try to be accurate and try to reduce your mistake so that you can score high.
Right.
Then you will get a 2 month time for the preparation of 2 optional subjects. So there you have to work hard
Right.
because there is a 2 optional subjects are technical and you never studied. Then for the interview you should be calm, confident and be truthful and don't try to bluff.
Right. So, and when you started your preparing, and so how you managed your routine lifestyle, and how many hours in a day, and whether you used to study at room or you started going library.
In 2015, after passing my BE Tech, I started preparing for civil service examination and Indian Forest Service examination. Then
Right.
in the starting, I studied 14 to 16 hours a day. And for that, maintaining the continuity, I was doing yoga and meditation and some physical exercise
Right.
so that concentration and new energy can be maintained.
Good. So this was the discussion with Yogesh Garg, and inspiring thing is with his score in interview is 210, which is exceptional. So he has shared. And are you in social media where the students can connect with you?
Yes, sir. I'm in Facebook
Right.
and Twitter.
So Yogesh Garg, Indian Forest Services, you can connect with him in Twitter and Facebook, and you can be in touch with him and you can learn some more new tips from him. Thank you.